Hello. Hello. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good night. According to when you see this video and according to the country where you are. This is Agawai, the prophetic spiritualist. How are you all? Happy December in advance. From this month is already our month of celebration, because so many of you are going to celebrate. I see so many of you dedicating your cars. In as much as you think everywhere is hard, things are hard, it will never be hard for you again. Yes, you. Yes. You see that land, you will dedicate your land. You will dedicate your house. You will dedicate your children. You will dedicate your cars. You will dedicate all the good things. Because it's our month of celebration. Celebration is on the way. I don't know how many of you that want to celebrate this period. Come online, tell me. Tell me your name and where you're watching me from. Because some of you here are going to celebrate. There's somebody here, you don't even know how it's going to happen. But I see you traveling out of your country to a better country. Somebody will just say, come, I want you to go to this country and succeed. Yes. Just come online and tell me hi. Come online and say hi to me. Some of you here, your problem is battles up and down. Problems. It's going to be over this month. I may be saying it casually. But as you believe it, it is done. Come online and say hi to me. Tell me where you are watching from. And tell me one thing you want me to pray for you. Just one prayer point. Something you want it to happen between this month and December. Just type it on comment section. I want to speak on about it. I want to prophesy it to come. I want to prophesy it into manifestation. Please, if you are watching me, just say hi. Tell me your name and where you are watching from. Then tell me one thing you want God to do for you.